Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pride, privilege to be here in this beautiful atmosphere. Thank you for coming in such a large number. These days, we rarely see house full in classical music. This could only happen in Rajkot, I think. Thank you. Thank you very much for devoting your valuable time. And as I always say, that you sacrifice 250 channels of TV. Thank God some serials are now going off screen, such as Big Boss and all. Just what a waste of time. Thank you very much for finishing it. So I am once again very, very grateful for this Jyotirmay Saptak festival by Jyoti CNC. It's a great thing that they have taken up this and given a chance to classical musician also into it. This is wonderful. As it's very satisfying for the musician when this happens in our country, this kind of response, this kind of sponsorship. We have been going to so many countries, but when it is in our country and we see so much respect for our own music, then it is very, very satisfying for a musician like me. I am here to show you a very small glimpse of richness of our classical music in my humble manner. As he mentioned that this instrument is designed by me, and also I created one rag which I am going to play today. I have named it as Vishwaranjini. Thank you. A new rag. The combination is of Shivranjini and Madhuvanti, two ragas, Mishran. And the concept, the ras and bhav in this rag, as you already know, every rag has emotions, it's their own mood and color. So in this rag, I thought of Durga, Shakti Roop of Durga, and later on I will explain how I wanted it to be connected with Mahishasura-mardini. And in the beginning, in the alap, there will be the melancholy mood in a sense, little sadness in there, but there is satire into it as a power of woman in this rag, which I wanted to create in my humble manner. So there will be Alap Jod Jhala, the instrumental solo, and then Vilambit and Drutkat. And I will speak in between also so that, I can convey what I am doing here with 7 musical notes and how we try to depict the different kind of ras and bhav with this music. Can I have little more light in the audience, because every time when I will see the house full, I will give you my best music. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please bless me. Thank you.